Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PDF in Acrobat DC or a capable editor. This matters because not all viewers let you change form fields. Once opened, choose Prepare Form or Edit PDF to enable field controls. Make sure the document isn't locked or restricted. You should then click a form field to confirm its type: plain text, combo box, or rich text. This distinction determines your options for font size and formatting, so identify field types before applying changes. Now change the font size via the Field's Properties panel. In Appearance, set typeface, style, and size. For plain text fields, you can pick a fixed point size or set auto or 0 in some tools to enable dynamic resizing as content grows. If you need mixed sizes or bold inside one field, switch the field to rich text and edit the value with the text tool. Once done, test by entering long and short values to confirm visual consistency and readability. Finish by saving a versioned copy and thoroughly testing fields across platforms, Windows, Mac OS, and mobile, because missing fonts can render differently. If fonts don't appear, embed them in the PDF or pick a standard font like Helvetica. When distribution is final, consider flattening fields or exporting to PDF/A to lock appearance. If something goes wrong, embed or replace the offending font and retest. That single step resolves most mismatches when recipients report layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.